Namaste. I am Lea, here to lead you on this moving experience, to envision a world of love, joy, and peace. Let us embody the change we desire to create, beginning with the breath of joy. The music you hear is a chant to Ganesha, the Hindu god, the elephant god that removes all obstacles. Let us embody Ganesha, the elephant. Make your trunk with your arms and let that upper body hang loose.
Is that the sound elephants make?
Now, with the arms, big elephant ears. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Always moving with the breath. Feel the prana, that life energy moving through your body. Now coming to a standing squat. This is Utkatasana in the Sanskrit yoga terminology. It means to exceed the normal level of difficulty. If you stay here long enough, you'll know exactly why. It's also called awkward pose. Here, with the hands in Anjali Mudra, offer out lotus flowers of love and compassion. Now coming into a lunge, Virdrasana Eka, Warrior One. Let us be warriors of peace. Open out, rolling the back heel down. Warrior Two. Embodying a warrior of peace. Thank you for joining me in this short demonstration of my program, True Nature Reborn. I'm Lea McGowan, and I believe that love, joy, and peace are the essence of our being. Blending yoga, dance, positive psychology, and imagery, my program facilitates individuals' reconnection and balancing of mind, body, and spirit. Please visit leamcgowan.wix.com/True Nature Reborn. Jai Bhagwan. Victory to the divine in you.